Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable Always On Display on Xiaomi 17. First, we have to open Settings and then scroll down to Personalization and open this menu. Here, open Always On Display and switch the first toggle in this menu to the right to enable this feature. Then we'll be able to customize it. First of all, by choosing the theme, we can select the theme being the same as the lock screen, and then we'll be able to change the duration of showing display items on Always On Display screen, selecting either for 10 seconds after tapping, always when someone looks at the screen, or scheduled by adjusting the start and end time. And we can also enable or disable turning off Always On Display mode when battery saver is on. And we can also return to the Always On Display menu and select whether or not we want to show notifications on this screen. Now, if we change the theme from same as the lock screen to custom, we'll be able to adjust the Always On Display mode basically however we need. So we can choose the theme, we can choose the signature, or we can use the analog clock, we can use kaleidoscope effect, or digital clock, or we can select a background using either one of the preset backgrounds or a custom image that we can create ourselves and adjust basically however we need. And so yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.